Ian's World. Well, here I am, 7-day camp trip. First 2 days were just thunderstorms, rain, more thunder, more rain. It was pretty impressive. But the new tarps held up really great. Protected the old ice fishing hut Jabba. And we got Dell, our trailer. Nice little vestibule. It's quite the little setup. Really went together pretty quickly, I have to admit. We're getting better and faster at everything we're doing. And really enjoying such an amazing life I'm living. Anyways, here we are. This is Ian's World.